The thing about drawing is that you can't draw a slow line quickly. Equally, you can't draw a fast line slowly, as the speed at which that line is drawn informs the energy that is contained in the drawing. With reference to all the remote control drawings, I'm using calligraphy ink on 300-gram hot press paper. The size of the drawings, particularly with reference to the circuit drawings and the square dance series, is based on the size of the model car and the full extent of the lock on the front wheels. Although I talk about this new work as drawing, it could equally be seen as a form of printmaking. Ink is continually sponged onto the rear wheels of the model car that travels over the surface of paper, and the tread marks of the tyres leave behind a trace of that journey. Using the remote control handset, I have some, albeit limited, control over the drawing. I like being one step removed, somewhat divorced from the making of the mark, in control but not in control. The model car never travels in exactly the same path anyway, but as the paper gets wetter and the surface more uneven, the traction of the rubber tyres on the paper becomes more precarious, leaving much to chance. As a result, no two drawings are the same. As I mentioned earlier, the speed at which a line is drawn informs the energy that is contained within that drawing. And these ideas are very much expressed in this new work. They are like a performance. Everything has to be right. The car in the right place, the sponges inked up correctly, and you only have one chance. A moment's loss of concentration and the drawing is gone. You can't go back. You can't rub out. In many ways, it's an automated form of calligraphy.